Yo! Come on, man. Hey! Come in. Hey! Hey, man, you're parked in the middle of the drive-thru line here. Hey! Sir! What's up, man? Hey, you're parked in the drive-thru right now. Hey, sir! You right? You're sitting in the drive-thru line here. What's up? So you're parked in the drive-thru line. You're blocking traffic here. You were sleeping when I walked up here. What's up, man? You used to have a long day or something? What's up? Alright, yeah, you're walking, people calling said you were walking here, alright? You good? You don't need a ambulance like that? Are you just tired? Alright, man, I'll move my car. Just pull somewhere and take an hour. Alright. Alright, you good?
Yeah.
Alright. You're just gonna... Come in. Man, you didn't go back to sleep. You gotta move your car. You went back to sleep. You went back to sleep. Okay, why don't you move your car into a parking spot, okay? Right now. Alright, don't go back to sleep. Just put over there. Okay, alright, thank you. Your order, 26. I want to deal with this dude right now.
Your call is coming out. She will be parked in the back of that address. Briefly.
All right.
Y'all either want the Blake car, 16G out, Roger pull in, and then you just select, y'all have a little. Thank you, y'all. 306. If you want to send George 17 over 16G out, cover it right now. Copy, you too. 306. Sorry. Both drivers call 16G out of the mess. Copy, you as well. 308, right? 308. Follow in, please. Negative. 16 shut up, whatever. Copy, you too.
Hey, my man. Hey, you good, man? You seem like you were passed out before. I'll make sure you're okay. Why'd you fall asleep in the...
Wait on my 50.
What's up?
Wait on my 50.
Okay, how much did I drink tonight? Not much? How much is not much?
About drink, about 12 today.
Alright, hey, give your license on real quick.
Yeah.
Alright. Well, you say one drink. What kind of drink was it?
We just want a little margarita.
How about any drugs today?
I don't do drugs.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Is this a rental car? What's the deal with that?
I sent through.
You what? Rental, gotcha. Where'd you rent it from?
The place down off the town.
Okay, gotcha. You keep looking for your license, alright?
I'll get out.
No, just stay in the car for me, alright? Just stay in the car for me. Just look for your license. Your reporter radio.
Go ahead.
Give me available DUI certified officers working with the zone right now.
I have any DUI certified units code 7.
3 or 4 radio. It's possible we can raise one to come to this location. Copy that, thank you. Alright, man, just stay in the car for me, alright? Keep looking for your license. I'll be right back with you, alright? Alright, appreciate it.
Thanks, I appreciate it. Yes, go ahead. Number yet, ready to come.
3 or 4 to detective radio. If I get a DUI certified officer to my location, which is, hold on a second. So 125 University Ave Southwest is the Wendy's parking lot.
1023, I got you go to 10-1.
Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, no one right here. Can you tell me that unit call?
3 or 4 on attack 1, requesting DUI.
Yeah, 21 on that one.
Hey, I just get a DUI certified officer out here. I got a guy sleeping in the Wendy's parking lot. Smell alcohol. Hard to wake him up. He's fumbled with his license. I told me he had 1 drink a few hours ago, but he's pretty out of it. Definitely got some good amount of liquor in him right now.
Alright, is he still able to take it or anything?
I'm just standing by with him right now.
I don't know.
Alright, I'm gonna have 75. That's clear now. Everything's shortly.
I appreciate it. Alright. Alright, just stay on the car with me for a minute, alright?
Rain, I'm not sure.
Alright, just stay in the car with me, alright? What's up? What's up, man?
I just had it when I had it at the hotel.
Okay.
But I did went to the room.
Yeah.
And they asked me for it, but they had it the day before.
Alright.
So it was like, hey, Mr. Brooks.
Alright, you're good. Why don't you hop in the car for me, alright? Alright, appreciate it.
I'm sorry, no problem.
No, you're good, man. Just. Okay. Alright. What's your name, sir?
Right there,
How do you spell it for me?
R-A-Y-S-H.
R-A-Y-S-H.
A-R-D.
A-R-D. Okay. What's your date of birth?
January 31st, 1993.
January 31st, 93.
Yes, sir.
Alright, alright. Hang tight, woman, alright? I'll be right back with you.
Alright.
304 to radio. You can put in the notes, DUI certified officer, just been advising his around. Three.
That's good, another again.
Hey man, just stay in the car. Alright, hey, just stay in the car, you know, alright? I want you to ask me. Okay. Alright, man, cool, thank you.
My wallet? I said, man, you know, I just had my wallet.
Right.
She said, yeah. I called myself. She said, yeah, you had it. Why don't you just put it in your sofa? I said,
Alright,
yeah,
so walk back to the car, man, alright? Let me ask you here. Where you coming from?
actually, I just came from getting something to eat.
Okay.
From open to the room.
Okay. Hey, why just get back to the car, man? I keep asking. I don't want to.
I just want to make sure you know that everything's good.
Yeah, you're good, man. Why don't you stay in the car for me, alright? I don't keep asking you. Just sit in the car for me. Relax, man, alright? Sir.
Oh, no problem, no problem.
Just stay in the car for me, alright? I hate to keep asking.
What's your name, sir?
Brosnan.
Mr. Robin.
Yes, sir.
I apologize.
You're good, man. Just stay in the car with me. So, where are you coming from? I guess something to eat, you said.
Over in Jonesboro.
Jonesboro? Okay, so what are you doing here?
Something to eat.
So again, you just something again here?
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
I was trying to see what she wanted, but like I said, she wasn't answering, and like, babe, what do you want to eat?
Yeah.
She's like, I don't know.
All right, just why you hop in the car, you know, all right? Just relax in the car. What are you you here for a visit or what's
I'm visiting.
Where are you visiting?
My mother's grave site.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah.
How long has she passed for?
It's been probably about a year and a half now, but
okay, I'm sorry to hear
my
that.
birthday just passed, and my girlfriend's birthday just passed, but I went to visit her, and
all right,
we decided to eat Burger King tonight, and hey, this happened.
Right, I hear you.
I said, babe, what's going on?
Right. So here's what we're gonna talk to this officer here for a minute, and then we'll be good to go. Okay?
Oh, no problem.
All right, thank you, sir. All right, stay in the car. Stay right there. Hey, what's going on? So found him passed out in the parking lot, sitting here.
So he was in the drive-thru?
Yeah, he's on, car's on. Took me like a few minutes to wake him up. Kept knocking, opened the door, but shook him. Woke up super groggy. Got pretty good smell of alcohol beverage coming out of the car. Eyes are watery, glassy. Snort his words. Wasn't sure where he was. And telling me he had 1 drink. He said earlier, standard size. So I said, I think just 1 drink, like smell alcohol still. And he's trying to tell me where you coming from. He said, well, I'm coming from Jonesboro. I got food. I said, what are you doing here? I got more food. So he's really not too clear. Like exactly, I got here, got there. But I mean,
so this was a 911 call, right?
Yeah, the drive-thru called it.
So somebody called because he was in the drive-thru.
He just passed out in the car.
Passed out in the drive-thru.
Yep.
Okay.
That's why I found him.
Had to pull over.
Yeah, I had to move out of the way, and then when he pulled up, he actually hit over the curb onto the grass and like backed it up.
Okay.
So I was like, leave him here. He's going to drive again.
Sure. Absolutely. All right, let me go.
All right.
You have his ID?
Yeah. There's a rental car, so he's visiting a while.
Hey, Mr. Brooks. Hey, Mr. Brooks. How you doing? Hey, Officer of the Atlanta Police Department. How you doing?
I'm doing just fine.
All right, so tell me, I wasn't here, so can you tell me what happened before we got here?
Nothing happened. I just got here and get something to eat.
Where are you coming from?
Well, my friend dropped me off here, and she brought me here to get something to eat, and
Your friend dropped you off where?
here.
At Wendy's.
Yes.
Okay, so
It was the Home Lodge.
so where's your friend now?
She said the hotel.
What hotel?
Right here, the Home Lodge.
Where's that? What's the address to it?
I'm not sure. I know she's here at the Home Lodge.
All right. So how did she drop you off here?
She drove here and dropped me off.
In what car?
And black Volvo,
Okay.
actually.
So how did this car get here?
I mean, it was here before I came. Like, this is my car. It's a rental car, my sister. But, I mean, like I told her, I came here, I met her here
Okay.
from the beginning, and she picked me up. I mean, we went out.
So you met her here at the Wendy's?
Yes.
And then you went out with her?
Yes.
And then she came and dropped
back
you off?
here.
Okay.
And, you know, I mean, like I told her, I mean, hey, babe, you know, I just want a burger or I want fries. She said, hey, no problem. I'll take you there.
All right.
You get your fries and you come back to the hotel.
Okay.
No
So
problem.
the reason why we're here is because somebody called 911 because you were asleep behind the wheel while you were in the drive-thru, right? You recall that?
I don't.
You don't recall that? You don't recall just minutes ago where you were passed out behind the wheel in the drive-thru? You don't recall that at all?
Absolutely. I don't.
Just complete blur.
I wasn't driving. Like I said, I just drank my girlfriend. She probably was sleeping, but like I said, babe, I want French fries.
So far as I'm aware, you're the only person that's been seen in this vehicle, right?
Yeah, one person.
And you've been in the driver's seat the whole time. So how did the car get into the drive-thru line with you behind the wheel?
She drove here. I said, babe, I'm drinking.
In a black car.
In a black Volvo.
And you got into your car.
I said, hey, you know what? No problem. I'll just meet you at the hotel. And she said,
All
hey, get out.
No problem. So after she drops you off here in her black car, your car was parked where?
Here.
Okay. So